Hello, in the series of Agile Architecture Tips, let us look at tip number 3 today. So this is fundamental to agility and design and architecture. So what this tip says is you should always avoid big upfront design when you start with architecture related work. So the guidance is to use the simplest of architecture to start with, keep adding value to it, and do this in bits and pieces instead of doing everything big bang. So that is the guidance. So let us see how this can be done for a sample architecture. So let us say that the problem statement is you want to upload a flat file into the database, so which has the n number of records, and it could be from a flat file or a typical Excel file that you actually plan to upload it into the database. So let us keep things very simple. You just in the first iteration on day one, you're simply uploading all of this data into the database without any other complicated features being added to the proposed to the solution. So you capture the low-hanging fruit, get this activity done, and have this as a realistic goal for your day one sprint or iteration or a first cut, whatever you might call it, based on the agile methodology that you're using. And slowly, as we progress towards day 2, you can actually have more advanced features, such as the records out here would need some data massaging in terms of stripping some prefixes and suffixes for strings, or perhaps amount rounding off for other amount related fields, and some date massages. So you kind of write an adapter at this level which does all of the data massaging that needs to happen, and post that you actually input the data into the database. So this can be a day 2 goal that can have for your architecture. So post this, as you are adding continuously are adding value to the system in increments, you can go to day 3 and have a bigger feature list, which is like you will provide a UI to input the data in terms of forms, and these forms will have the data massaging features, and then over a wire using TCP/IP you will actually input it into the database.
Yeah, so what we have seen is a bigger goal of trying to upload a flat file into a database actually has been split up into various sprints or iterations, and we have avoided a big upfront design and added value continuously in each iteration. So bringing across agility and value in each iteration, we learn from the failures done in each iteration and improve the product. So this helps you to add incremental value to your project or solution, instead of aiming something big bang, which is what the previous models used to advocate. So this brings the essence of agility and how you should apply to design and architecture. Thank you.